everybody, welcome back to Tot Tunes. Today we're sponsored by City of Houston and the Houston Arts Alliance. My name is Jacob from Children's Museum Houston, and today it's raining outside, so I'm going to sing a little song about rain. So here it goes. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Puddle up the side of the road. Some turn and some turn to toast. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Snail trail sliding up side of the wall. Careful, little buddy, you don't wanna fall. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Bucket full of water sloshing around, wetting your hair, wet on the ground. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Leaves in the gutter and the rain come through. Little droplets for me, little droplets for you. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Kitty cat runs, she don't like the rain. Hide in the engine of a downbound train. When it rains, it pours. Alright everybody, see you next time. Bye.